Alright, goddamn. Here's my cell phone video. So, back to fucking with Badjuju. Which a lot of y'all should know. There's probably wind noise, there's airplanes, there's birds, and you just have to deal with it. But we got here, goddamn meth, straight out the trailer park. And since this car is no longer a daily driver, I decided to use the reservoir for the meth. I'm gonna probably get boost juice for it. But what's good about this is I'm able to tap right in, mod this, feeds this. I did it on another car that's not a daily. All this shit is high enough to where it isn't gonna hit anything. This car is pretty much gonna be track only, and then like some car show shit here and there. So again, I'm not worried about displacement. I have another one set up like this, and it's been like that for a year with no problems. What else? Oh yeah, so what's cool about this is you get a gallon. You can just fill it from the top. It's already here. And then you see this here? That's your warning light for the low fluid, which will show up on your dash when you get low on meth. It'll say low washer fluid, which is pretty fucking cool. And then, there's a front shot. And then as far as up here goes, you got all the direct portness going. Now, long-term goals are going to be to change these lines to hard lines. But for the sake of getting it going for now and testing it and using what they have with the kit, who knows, it may stay, just to be honest. So everything's wired up, but the solenoids, they need to be grounded. They need grounded, and then this is for the pump itself. So the pump's already grounded, so it's power to the pump. That needs to be hooked up with power for the solenoids coming from the box, and we got a relay and shit. And then this is the switch source for the relay from the cigarette lighter is how I did that. That way I don't have to, you know, chase it. And then the whole idea behind putting the box here was being able to adjust it with ease, because as you can tell, there's not much other room in here. So that's where we're at on this car. And oh yeah, and I think my NX guy needs to get me a new sticker, because that's gonna bug the shit out of me. But hell yeah. And then we're gonna turn up the boost, and I'm probably gonna do the heads soon, because it's not able to go over 10 pounds of boost, and I have like a 15-pound pulley on it right now. And as some of y'all know, this engine has 108,000 miles on it. It's got a cam. It's been cam for about 60,000 miles. But it's stock springs, stock bottom end, stock head, stock everything. So what I think is happening is we're getting valve float, and it's just throwing the boost out. Either that or the bottom end's nice and fucked up. Either way, we're going to do the heads and cram some boost through it until it makes more than 10 pounds. And I'll just leave it at that, because my sister's probably going to watch this, and she's like, what are you motherfuckers going to do to my car? And I don't need all that bullshit. So that's the Badjuju update. Yeah. So expect more videos real soon.